Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Previously, I thank you very much for wanting to take the time to watch this video. I'm also very happy if you guys want to participate in this video by pressing the like button provided. Okay, before entering the core of the video, I will introduce myself first. My name is Putra Samuel and then I'm Fono. I'm a student from the Bachelor Chemical Engineering Study Program at Universitas Yogyakarta from the Faculty of Industrial Technology. I made this video to complete my assignment in analytical chemistry course delivered by Dr. Heri Septya Kusuma, S.Si MT. He's one of the best lecturers in his field, and in my opinion, throughout my lecture journey at Pembangunan Yogyakarta, I just saw him as an extraordinarily cool lecturer with an extraordinarily cool learning style too. I will try to review a journal related to acid-base titration in this video as my assignment. Okay, without any further ado, let's just start reviewing the journal. Okay, here I have summarized and reviewed an article named reagent-free acid-base titration method via an electrodialytic titrant generator. The volume of this article is 237. Other Yuzhen, Zhenzhou, Feifangshan, Zongyingli, and Biqingyang. Furthermore, I have divided into 8 topics that I review from this article. And let's get to the first one. What does the researcher conduct this study? From this journal, I have read the abstract and make this point. For the first, the researcher conducted the study by proposing a reagent-free acid-base titration method using an electrodialytic titrant generator. They designed and built an electrodialytic titrant generator, or ETG, and used it to produce high-purity strong acid or base titrant. They then tested the performance of this method by comparing it with regular manual preparation titrant. The researchers controlled the electric current to obtain a series of titrants with different concentration up to at least 140 millimolar, which were accurately and reproducibly obtained. They also explored the potential for automatic conductometric titration devices using this technique. The study was conducted at the Engineering Research Center of Pharmaceutical Process Chemistry, Shanghai K Laboratory of New Drug Design, School of Pharmacy, East China, University of Science and Technology in Shanghai, China. Okay, let's go to the second one. Is what is the problem that this study one will to deal with? I think this article is gonna have some problem that the researcher or the editor want to deal with. The problem that this study aims to deal with is the need for a reagent-free acid-base titration method that can produce high purity and accurate titrant. Traditional methods of preparing titrant involve the use of the reagents, which can introduce impurities and affect the accuracy of the titration results. The proposed electrodialytic titrant generator or ETG method aims to overcome this problem by producing titrant using only water and precise control of an electric current, resulting in high purity and accurate titration results. This study also explores the potential for automatic conductometric titration devices using this technique, which could further improve the accuracy and efficiency of acid-base titration. And now, this is my third point. What is the aim of the study? The aim of the study described in the journal article is to propose a reagent-free acid-base titration method using an electrodialytic titrant generator. The study aims to demonstrate that this innovative technique can produce high purity and accurate titrant, which can be used for a wide range of acid-base titrations. The study also aims to compare the performance of this method with regular manual preparation titrant and explore the potential for automatic conductometric titration devices using this technique. The fourth topic here is what is the methodology of the study? From the journal, the point of method yes, I take this point from the point two of this journal, which have subject experimental regional materials, fabrication of ATG, construction of free reagent-free acid-base titration, and preparation of solution. Okay, back to the topic. The methodology of the study involves proposing and testing a reagent-free acid-base titration method using an electrodialytic titrant generator. The researchers designed and built an electrodialytic titrant generator or ETG and use it to produce high purity strong acid or base titrant. They then tested the performance of this method by comparing it with regular manual preparation titrant. The researchers controlled the electrolytic current to obtain a series of titrants with different concentrations up to at least 140 millimolar, which were accurately and reproducibly obtained. They also explored the potential for automatic conductometric titration devices using this technique. Let's go to the point number 5 in this review journal. I take the topic here is what is the result of the study? After read the article on the third subject result in discussion. I've reviewed and summarized some of these. The result of the study is that the proposed reagent-free acid-base titration method using an electrodialytic titrant generator or ETG can produce high purity and accurate titrant. The researchers were able to obtain a series of titrants with different concentration up to at least 140 millimolar, which were accurately and reproducibly obtained in manipulating the electric current. By manipulating the electric current, the titrant results achieved by ETG were in good agreement with those obtained by the regular way, and the ratio was in the range of 0.9918 and 1.0034. The study also found the ETG showed comparable or slightly better performance to regular manual preparation titrant. The potential for automatic titration devices using this technique was also explored, which could further improve the accuracy of and efficiency of acid-base titration. Okay, let's go to the point number 6. The point number 6 here, I take the topic is advantages. What is the advantages of this article that I've already written? The advantages of the reagent-free acid-base titration method using an electrodialytic titration generator described in the journal include: 1. The method is reagent-free, which means that only water is added and the titrant is online electrodialytically produced. 2. The method produces high purity titrant, which result in accurate and reproducible titrant results. And 3, the final one from these advantages that I found in this article is the method is easy to use and can be applied to a wide range of acid-base titration. Okay, number 7 is gonna be the disadvantages. Where there are advantages, then disadvantages, so on. I think the disadvantages of this article is gonna be um, the limitation of this method are not explicitly mentioned in the journal article maybe, but however, it should be noted that this technique requires specialist equipment and expertise to operate, which may limit its accessibility to some laboratories. Additionally, the range of titrants that can be produced by the electrodialytic titrant generator may be limited compared to traditional methods. One potential disadvantage of the result of this study is that the ETG method has only been tested for producing 3 kinds of titrants, including potassium hydroxide, methanecyl acid, and sulfuric acid. Further studies are needed to investigate the applicability of this method for producing other types of titrants, Additionally, while the study found the ATG showed comparable or slightly better performance to regular manual preparation titration, the further studies are needed to compare the performance of the ATG with other automated titration methods. Finally, while the potential for automatic conductometric titration devices using this technique was explored in this study, further research is needed to develop and optimize such a device in practical use. Now get to the last one of this topic that I have summary to review this journal is gonna be the conclusion. For the eighth topic is conclusion. The conclusion of the study is that the reagent-free acid-base titration method has been proposed for automatic generation of high purity strong acid or base titrant by introduction of ATG. The electrodialytic titrant generator or ATG showed comparable or slightly better performance to regular manual preparation titrant. If the CDM is communicated to ATG via an integrated circuit, automatic identification of equivalence point and automatic computation of titrant concentration can be released. Then forming an automatic conductometric titration device. That's all the topics that I want to show you guys in this video. Mm, that's all what I summarized, and maybe this video is not enough to complete my assignment yet, but I've tried and make it simple for you guys to know with simple sentences that I wrote by myself. Okay, just on. Thank you.